Welcome to an exploration on relationships and interactions of organisms. I am Adrienne Scott. Let's explore the lesson objective for today. The student is expected to interpret relationships, including predation, parasitism, commensalism, mutualism, and competition among organisms. The main objective is that the student understands that interdependence and interactions occur within an environmental system. This lesson is designed for a ninth grade high school biology or pre-AP biology classroom in the state of Texas. In the state of Texas, biology is a core subject, meaning that it is STAR assessed. We will be using the 5E instructional model for today's lesson. More specifically, the explore portion of the 5E instructional model. This is a stations lab motivating students to explore the relationship between organisms and their environment. Students will have 2 days, two 90-minute sessions to explore the relationships. As explained in the previous slide, this is the explore portion of the 5E instructional model. This lesson plan is specifically for that explore portion. As you can see, it does show the title of the lesson, and it displays the objective of the lesson, as well as the time frame, which is 2 days. It then goes on to display the materials that will be used in this lesson. As you can see, they are all digital resources such as Discovery Education, Schoology, and Live Binders. This is a completely digital lesson, so only digital resources are necessary. It also shows the essential questions. How are organism interactions in an ecosystem responsible for the health of the system? It gives a complete breakdown of the lesson as well as the student self-assessment and reflection. A very important resource for today is Discovery Education. Students will be using the science textbook in Discovery Education in order to collect data. This is a wonderful resource as it has social studies textbook, a math textbook, and it also has lessons in streaming. Students will be able to access a board that will allow them to explore different types of media such as video, interactive glossary, and simulations. As you can see, Discovery Education is a wonderful resource. What you are looking at currently is the science textbook. You see that there is a concept called ecosystems, which is where students can do quite a bit of research on the topic for today. They can also use the World Wide Web, prior knowledge, and they will be using the discussion post in Schoology to gain even more information. Let's take a look at what students will see when they actually access the Interactions Among Organisms board in Discovery Education. There are videos, and they are grouped in accordance to the relationship that they are supporting. Competition, mutualism, commensalism, parasitism, predation, all of the relationships are represented. Symbiosis, everything is there. As you can see, there's videos, there's an interactive glossary, there's simulations, there's even reading passages for the student. Ultimately, it ends in the students having a great review over everything that they've learned. The pencil is of special interest to me because it gives the students a writing prompt. And this is where their creativity comes into play. Students have to observe everything that is stated here in the writing prompt, and then they have to write about it. Their interactive notebooks, their live binders, along with the discussion post in Schoology, will help them with this. As mentioned before, Schoology is a wonderful resource that our class uses. It is a learning management system. Students are able to submit assignments. They are able to see their grades. They are also able to participate in discussion posts. As you can see here, I am able to add a discussion post about today's topic so students can collaborate and discuss the information together. Today's assignment will also be posted in Schoology so that students can access it and they will know what to do at each station. It'll help guide them through their exploration today. You may have noticed that there's numerous opportunity for collaboration and data collection as well as writing in this activity. In biology, it's all about organization of the information. Students need an area in order to do that. Our class uses live binders as our interactive notebooks. Students will be able to do all of their documentation and data collecting in that live binder. They will also use Google Docs for collaboration on those writing assignments. Students will be able to use the discussion post in Schoology as well to collaborate with the students in their classroom. Thank you for your time. Here's a list of the materials that I've used in today's lessons: Discovery Education, Live Binders, and Schoology. You can access those at any time for further exploration. Again, my name is Adrienne Scott, and I appreciate your time and attention. Thank you.